Hi, it's Ben from Machinery Partner. Today we're going to talk about the ARK Kompatto 5030 three-way scalping screen. Like the rest of the ARK range, this screener is built and manufactured in Italy and sold under a number of different brand names by some well-known manufacturers. This 8x4 foot screen is the largest in the ARK range and comes with some cool features to help you get the most out of your materials and machine. The 5030 is a vibrating scalping screen, meaning it is perfect for screening a wide range of materials, like concrete, soil and compost at up to 306 tons per hour. It also has a range of screen and mesh options to help you get to the end product you're trying to make. But before we go any further, make sure you like and subscribe to the Machinery Partner YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more equipment review videos, just like this one. Now let's get into it. Starting at the top of this machine, the hopper here feeds material from your loader and carries it up onto the screen deck. Across the top of the screen box, we have this rubber flap. This is used to slow your material down as it's passing over the screen, giving the smaller stuff more time to fall through the gaps and making your machine more efficient. The screen box itself is mounted on 4 large springs that work with a vibrating motor to help shake the box and create a screening motion. The 5030 has 3 different conveyors, which stockpile 3 different sized materials. Any of the material that does not go through the top deck is known as the oversized product, and it will end up on this oversized conveyor coming straight out the end of the machine. Then material that falls through the first deck, but not through the second deck, also known as the mid-sized material, will go onto one of the conveyors on the side of the screener. And lastly, the material that is very fine and falls through both screen decks, we call this the fines, and it will be stockpiled by the last conveyor. However, the 5030 has a trick up its sleeve and can transform into a two-way screen to produce just 2 piles of material instead. One that is going to be a mix of oversized and mid-sized pile and a separate fines pile. The 5030 does this by moving the main conveyor in and out like this and folding the second conveyor up and out of the way. This is a really unique feature for a scalping screen. It's also great if you need to screen in a really compact site, as you can fit the machine directly against the wall and still have 2 stockpiles coming out. Speaking of compact, the whole machine can be folded up for easy transportation, and the tracks make it perfect for moving around the job site or onto a trailer. When you get to your screening location, the conveyors can be unfolded using these well-marked hydraulic levers, and the hopper will slide forward out of its compact transportation configuration. This machine is designed to be as low to the ground as possible, to make it easy to fit into a plant setup, where it's going to be fed by another machine like a crusher. The 5030 also has a unique tilt feature. When tilted up, it has plenty of clearance and can easily track up a ramp to load it onto a trailer. The main control panel and display screen is located on the left-hand side of the machine. It shows things like how many hours are on the machine and the oil temperature. It also has a central emergency stop button for safety. To turn on the machine, you must make sure that the battery cutoff switch is turned on to allow power to run to the control panel. Then you can turn the key to the first notch and let the diesel engine preheat. When the heating indicator light goes away, you can fully rotate the key to start the engine. The rev counter will kick in, and as the machine starts up, the lights start to flash. Before starting the screener or the conveyor belts, you need to increase the engine speed until the machine hits around 2500 RPM. Now the machine is ready to use. Under the control panel, there are a bunch of dials that are used to adjust the loading conveyor speed, the vibration of the hopper, and the main conveyor belt speed. These are great features that give you the ability to tweak and change how your material moves through the screen and the end product that you get. The included remote is used to control most of the major functions of this screener and is wirelessly connected to the machine. To connect it, you must make sure the emergency stop is not pressed and that none of the switches are on. Then hit the green button on the back of the remote 3 times. The light will start to flash and the remote will pair with the machine. This remote makes it easy to move the machine around using its tracks. It also lets you control the speed of the tracks, turn the screen vibration on and off, toggle the loading conveyor on and off, and has an emergency stop button. The 5030 also comes with a dog lead attachment if your wireless remote runs out of battery, and it can be connected here. This remote is mainly a backup option, with less features, only allowing you to turn the screen box and the hopper conveyor on and off. As we take a walk around this machine, you can see lots of grease points and the locks for the screen decks, which allow you to change out your mesh. You can also see lots of doors for access to things like the engine and batteries for easy service and maintenance. The conveyors also have metal rollers, which act as a guide to keep them on track when you're screening. This screener is perfect for bringing to job sites and screening waste material, or working after another machine, like this jaw crusher, also from ARK. If you're interested in the 5030 or don't know where to start with crushing and screening, get in touch or check out our website at www.machinerypartner.com, where we're happy to help you find the right machine. We also have a full range of scalping screens and trommels of all different shapes and sizes, as well as crushers and excavators to suit every business and budget. That's all for now, but if you want to see more videos like this, we have more coming soon from ARK and other manufacturers. Just make sure to subscribe and click the notifications bell, and YouTube will let you know when we post them. See you guys in the next one.